12 Best High-Paying Passive Income Ideas in 2019. We all wish we could make money while we sleep, right? Think about it, you can take an extra long holiday while your passive income idea makes you money behind the scenes, truly a dream come true. So what is a passive income? Let me explain this to you real quick. You work on something like, say, an ebook and put it up for sale, and that product generates sales for you on a regular basis, day after day and month after month. This is a passive income stream. You only wrote that ebook once, but you are getting paid over and over again every time someone makes a purchase. Sounds like a dream job, isn't it? This is why you hear a lot of people say, make money while you sleep, with passive income. There are many ways you can generate passive income to help you make money from home. And today I am going to show you how to create a passive income in 2019. These are ideas that are profitable and still in demand, so you have a good chance. I have been making passive income from home since 2018 and I am happy to share the details in this video for you. Don't forget to subscribe to Amazing Truths, Passive Income Ideas 2019. 1. Make money on Pinterest. Pinterest is a great platform to generate a passive income with affiliate marketing. You can make money on Pinterest even if you don't own a website or a blog. There are many affiliate programs that accept you without a blog. Once you apply and get accepted into these affiliate programs, you can create a few pin images for each of the products you would like to promote. And then you share it on Pinterest. 2. Blogging. I know you see this at the top of every list of passive income ideas, and that's because it works, and I can testify. There are so many bloggers that work on their blog either full-time or part-time and generate some money. However, it does take a little time to bring in a steady income each month. It all comes down to how much time you have to work on it. I started this blog in early 2018 and earned a few $100s in my first month blogging, and that was from affiliate marketing on Pinterest. The flexibility with blogging is amazing, and I believe it's the perfect stay-at-home mom job as it has given me the opportunity to have a flexible work-at-home lifestyle. So how do you make money blogging? You can earn money by placing ads, link to affiliate products, or even sell your own product. The amount of money you make depends on the number of visitors, traffic, to your site, and if the readers are interested in your content. If you are ready to give blogging a try, I highly recommend SiteGround to host your website. 3. Start your own YouTube channel. If you enjoy being in front of the camera, it's never too late to start a YouTube channel. You make money on YouTube the same way as you would with a blog, from ads and affiliates. See those little ads that show up while watching a video on YouTube? Those are ads that will generate you money. And in the description below the video, you can see some notes and links, right? If someone were to click those affiliate links below and make a purchase, you earn a commission. Here are some popular YouTube video ideas. You can do recipes, hair and makeup tutorials, travel logs, parenting, and toddler videos, or just generally even a family lifestyle channel and get the entire family involved. 4. Sell an ebook. My friend Sarah Johnson earns over $60,000 a year selling just one ebook. Yes, just one. You write up its contents and edit your ebook and put it up for sale, and that's your hard work done. Once your book is out there in the market, it starts to sell and makes you money. And since it's a digital product, there is no need for you to deal with packing, postage, or delivery. Where to sell and promote. You can create a simple website and create a post that links to your product. 5. Investment app for beginners. Investment might seem like a term for those looking to invest big money. Not necessarily. You can begin with investing as little as 50 cents and build it up. Like the sound of that? Most of the time our expenses and income are so tight that we end up having no money left to save. If that's you, Acorns is the best savings app to help you invest your spare change. So if you join Acorns and connect it to your bank account, next time you shop for a burger or a coffee and use your card, Acorns will round up the change to the closest dollar and automatically invest it for you. I have included this investment app in this list of passive income ideas, because every time you shop, you get money automatically invested for you, more money for you. 6. Create an online course. Similar to creating and selling an ebook, you can also sell a course. This course can include video tutorials to make it more of a personal experience. This is also a digital product, so you get paid for work once done. I have to be honest, it took me more than a couple of months to complete my ebook. There were sick kids in the house and, then the school holidays. So give yourself enough time to complete your project, and try not to keep deadlines as this might demotivate you. Just like Sendowl for selling ebooks, there is Teachable for selling online courses. 7. Sell photos. If creating an ebook or selling an online course is not for you, how about selling photos online? Wondering how? Stock photos. Online business owners, magazines, editorials and bloggers all use stock photos for promotion. So if you love taking high-quality images, you can sell either per image or as a photo bundle, say 20 photos for $15, as an example. You can either sell your photos on sites like Stock and Shutterstock. Or you can create your own website and sell your photos on your site. The advantage in using your own website is, you can run random promotional offers, like a Christmas sale or a Black Friday sale, as these sell like hotcakes. 8. Rent your house and things inside. Something that doesn't involve investment or any of your time. If you have a spare room at home, why not rent it out? You can either rent it out on a contract basis for a few months or join hands with Airbnb and rent it to travelers looking for a few nights stay. Either way, you can easily make a few hundred a week in passive income doing this. 9. Sell homemade crafts. Here is a long list of 40 crafts ideas that you can make from home and earn extra cash. But if you are looking to start an online business selling your crafts, then Etsy is the way to go. 10. Cashback, online shopping. Cashback apps are a good beginner's passive income stream. There is an increase in trend to shopping online either for convenience or to avail discounts. And to get more out of online shopping, cashback apps work the best. Thank you viewers and subscribers for watching this video to the end. I'll see you next time, and if you're a new viewer, please subscribe and like.